show.
Hi kids, let's learn big A with beads. Let's make A. A for apple. A for apple. Let's make a colorful A. Blue color. Blue color.
Yellow color.
Slanting line. I'm making a big slanting line. Now pink color. Same slanting line on another side. A. I'm making A. A. Now a sleeping line in between this slanting line. So here you go. We have made the A. Slanting line, another slanting line, and a small sleeping line. A. Good job. We will learn making B in next video. Bye bye.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.